Hey, this is Meditation with Renee. I would like to thank you for joining me on the 21st day of my 30-day meditation challenge. Today's theme or topic is meditation for the evening or meditation for bedtime. As always, please find your preferred comfortable seating position, whether that be on the floor, as I am, or in a chair with back support. You can even try this meditation laying down in the bed. Your hand position is the same. You can place them on your knees or on your lap, as I am, or just to your sides if you've decided to lay down. If you feel comfortable, go ahead now and close your eyes. In this meditation, we will be focusing on quieting the mind. Take a deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Maintaining a natural pace or rhythm with your breath. As you breathe in, notice the feeling or sensation of the air entering your nose. Feel your air or oxygen traveling to your lungs. Imagine the air filling your whole body, traveling to your head, through to your arms, down through your legs, down to your legs, all the way down to your toes. Any thoughts that you have in your mind, acknowledge them. I have to decide on this or that, but not right now. These thoughts that I have coming in and out of my mind, I have to make decisions on. I need to think about them, but not now. The day is over. The day is over. Any thoughts pops back into your mind, as they do for me. It can be hundreds of times, literally. You acknowledge the thoughts, and you gently bring your attention back to the sensations of the air entering your nose, circulating through your body, and exiting. As you breathe in and out through your nose, Feel the pressure in your nostrils. Notice how your chest or belly may rise with each breath. Maybe notice how your body grows heavy, maybe on the mattress that you're laying on, or if you're sitting down, notice how heavy you become in your sit bones. Maybe notice your points of contact that you're making with the bed. If you're laying down, notice the point of contacts with your head, on your pillow maybe. Notice the point of contacts that your shoulders are making, your back, your lower back, your butt, your upper thighs, maybe notice the contact that the back of your knees are making. Your calves, your heels of your feet. Feel the body become more heavier with each breath. With each breath, feel the body become more relaxed. Breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Thoughts come, you acknowledge them, and then you refocus back onto the breath. Over and over. Over again. Great job today. Until next time, please be kind to yourself and others and all living things.